Remember see a spoil. It's okay. But do it. Everybody will come out. We look forward for this.
Yeah.
1 week. And the match come and the match done. I'm not gonna act like say we're alright for lose and all of this. No.
I pray.
I'm in love on us still. We just lose
Mama
one
come down for.
I just
It's
the
the fuck you talk about. I pray. Yeah, dog.
What are you saying? I'm not being appreciative. What the fuck? Like, go suck down my this up on my life, man.
Yeah?
The first thing I'm gonna say, yo, my tongue cry through. What the fuck?
Yes, bro. Yeah?
Right
Yeah,
through
but
come
everything's
out in
somehow.
numbers and support us. In a 5 minutes with their 1.5k likes. I will never ever drop my team for nobody. I love my fucking team. I couldn't do nowhere without Raw Truth.
Hey, boy, Fitzroy, let me tell you this. I told me they on a good behavior tonight. Yeah, boy? Know that.
Not do negativity. No matter with that.
Guys,
Wait,
It's a tournament, you know. Next week I get one next match and
guys, remember say it's a
Nah, man, no, man.
this
yeah,
drop out, she still got have one more match.
Nah, man.
Ashni could just win our next match. You see me, Ashni could just win our next
It's
match.
back up, man.
I think we're going. But then for
Big
Ryan,
up all of my tappers, them. Big up everybody will come out.
Right.
TJ, all I need to do is talk with them
Big
and
up
then
on
send me
yourself.
for them flyer. Mama make
Dog, man, I'm
Jamila, no turn on by my comment section, no man.
Yo, TJ.
some black coffee. It's not about being upset, you know. You remember, this is our first match as well. You understand? And you have to remember, say everybody express themselves differently. It's a game, you know, guys. All that one is a game. And she still do well. It's a good score she put up. It's not a bad score. But at the same time, if you lose, you got, cause me, I'm telling you this. It's when me come on TikTok, I see people lose, I see people bad, I see people cuss. Me not talk cuss like what Kay just say, yo, Ray. Me like cuss all the gift to them and say, yo, Ray. I'm saying, yo, what that? You see me? Make sure
It's
a part of
TJ,
the
it's a game. If you
this
lose,
nobody show like this who this them, who this her.
Don't
understand that.
don't want to lose.
Yeah, man, Gaga, I always try to remain humble and tell people
I'm TJ
people
and
draw me
Kay
out.
as organizer.
No, man, I no lecture, but I just have to make one understand. Say, guys, you see, uno go in the comments, remember, say, uno now play the game, forget the feeling where people are get.
Yes, in my problem.
What talk to me?
No, we are talking about something else now, TJ. Please.
Okay. Huh?
We want to talk about who I play next week now.
Oh, alright, so next week, what was sending up the picture already?
Yeah, my father, man.
I just all I picture them what you send me, have.
Yeah, so
I think the Moya said.
Listen.
Can you remember who can tell you who I'm going to play next?
Listen.
I have an idea who I think should play next week.
Who?
Royal Family and Denier and Rochelle.
Alright, Royal Family and Dinner and Russia. Them send a picture already. Royal, you get a picture from
Royal
them?
Family, they need to send me a picture. They were here tonight and someone know them interested in everything.
Alright, because I think, alright. So, cause Ryan them said them did need more time. So,
we want them for promote. So, yeah,
Ryan,
exactly. Ryan
yeah.
them not ready yet. So we have to choose now. So it's like how them we live still full. We can make them know who I play next week.
Leave them, man.
And then them have time for promote. Them have a whole week for promote. So it's fair. So
Blue say. Hold on, let me see what Blue they give me a date, you know. Hold on.
Oh, class, Shock, what go on?
Blue date them a week after next and next week.
Oh, so I put Blue with Ryan them then.
Shock, what go on?
Just send Maya, just send me who I play so I can get as a person to create a flyer.
I will. Sister Rebel, yes,
Alright.
Sister Rebel should be in it, guys.
Come on, man, Mish, man. No,
No, them say them not. I think Kay, they say them not bother.
I don't know if I have to ask them again.
Oh.
Alright, so next week them say
Remember, to each team is to them own, you know. I won't phone so
yeah, for them, yeah,
people
they
there.
can decide.
We don't need to know nobody else. It's just like how Maya team snipe for her, TJ team snipe for him, my team snipe for me, 10 point I just saw. And then when everybody play their match, who drop out to the way, just have a player.
Right.
And every match have to be a good game, but this was a good match. We start off
Every team
good.
have 2 chances, right? Every team have 2 chances, say.
Yeah, every team have 2 chances.
Okay.
We'll play it. Alright, so Ryan them are gonna play a turn.
I just like playing Best of 3, you know.
Yeah.
You guys will see the flight, so you guys will know. If you're not familiar with royal family, you guys will know.
What the people ask if every Saturday? But you know,
I really think we should do
yeah,
that. It don't make sense to have
you know
one
why?
different
You know why we
month.
want to be every Saturday? We don't want it to stretch out too long.
Too long,
Yeah,
for
we don't want
true.
to
We're
do
supposed
so.
to done this before, yeah.
Yeah, so
So every time I feel like if we do it every
So
Saturday,
everybody
7
have to
p.m.
promote them match again.
I feel like when we do it that way, Saturday 7 p.m. the next couple play.
But you know what, TJ, you know what is better? Since we start off with Uno, and Uno again we have to play now.
No. It
So
can't be.
in our WhatsApp.
It can't be.
Yeah.
Set it up.
Teejay and Moya
you'd
win
have
a
to
while
go
ago.
play. No, you would have to go play the next person who win.